Hello, this is very casual speaking test, but you don't take it as a test. You take it just a casual conversation. Okay. From your speaking, I will just try to pick some points you may improve or which you didn't. So, and after that, I will give you some recommendation that in what or which segment you need to improve. Okay. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Ipshita Sanamuni. I'm just completed my SSC exam in Gajipur Cantonment Board Girls High School.
Okay.
I'm from Gajipur.
Okay, that's great. If I want to talk about your course, what's your course name here at Talent Hut?
SSC English Spoken course.
Okay, so you have already done your course, right?
Yes.
There are a few classes left. So I would like to ask you first, you please tell something about your course. How was it important for you, and how have you benefited from this course?
I wanted to improve my English skills, so I heard and joined the course. After the course, I think I have a confidence that I need. Now I can talk about someone in English.
Okay, is there any specific part of the course you really enjoyed most, and you think that I have really improved in this part?
Yes, it's our group presentation.
Group presentation. So how it helps you? What do you think?
When it's our group presentation, we talked each other, so it made me more confidence, and on that part, we know each other.
You get yourself familiar with the other person. Okay. Now let's talk about your dream. What's your dream? What do you want to be?
I want to be a successful businesswoman.
Okay. So what is your background of education?
Business.
Business. Okay. Great. What's your next plan after SEC, after HEC, or what's your plan? Do you have any plan of your education?
Yes, after completed my HSC, I want to go abroad to my higher education.
Then you have to sit for IELTS if you want to go abroad, right? Okay. So these 2 years are very important. Next 2 years, if you get yourself involved with English language, then it will be really helpful for you to get the good score in IELTS, because in short term, if you want to get good score in a very short period of time, it's quite tough, you know. At least a minimum of 7+ score may help you to get a scholarship, waiver, or something like this in the others university of the world. Okay, so I will strongly recommend you to get yourself involved with the English environment all the time. So we are going to organize practice session for you. So I will recommend you to involve with that practice session and get ourselves touch with this. And if possible, with a very small touch of IELTS, you just try to continue for your next 2 years. Then after that, you will, after your HSC examination, you'll sit for IELTS and you apply abroad. Do you make understand?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any problem in understanding my English when I'm talking?
No, sir.
You are quite clear. Okay. Great. Now let's talk about your hobby. What would you like to do in your free time?
I have a lot of hobby, but mostly I like to cook.
Give me one menu or one dishes that you really like to cook.
I like to cook fish or meat.
Okay.
Sometimes I cook. I bake cake, and it's really enjoy it. Also, I have a page there. I sell my baking item.
Oh, really? Great. So how long have you been doing this?
When I was class 8, I opened the page.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Miss Obuni. I'm really very happy to get you here and talk to you. So I wish you have a bright future, because this is the beginning. But I will strongly recommend you, please keep learning English. Don't stop it. If you stop it, then your skill will be declined again, right? So keep learning. Okay. Thank you very much.